Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is the reason why you have not gotten your splits. Number one, you have not been practicing seated forward fold. This pose will help stretch your hamstrings, your calves, and the whole of your legs in a seated position. So you need to practice it more. The second pose you're not practicing enough is half pigeon. Now, half pigeon is a pose that it doesn't really deal with the tip of your toes or maybe your ankles. It deals with your groin and your inner thighs. So what it does is that it helps to warm you up, and the more you practice this pose, the more you're going to be able to open those hip areas and allow yourself to learn what you need to get your splits. The other pose that you're not practicing enough is this half split rocks. Now, half split rock is very simple. It almost looks like you're doing nothing, but rocking and rolling and preparing your toes, your knee rather, and your inner thigh is a very good way to prepare your legs in order to get your splits. And just like at any level, you can practice it. The other pose where you need to practice more in order to get your split faster is this twisted lizard variation. You see the way it focuses on the inner thighs and just stretches my leg the way I want it to be. When you're warmed up in these poses, now you can easily just go into your splits. And remember that practicing and practicing is what is going to help you get your split. So practice and enjoy.